Wish you happy 40th birthday, Naresh.
Wish you happy special birthday, Naresh.
Happy 40th birthday, Naresh Mama.
Happy birthday, bro. Hope all your dreams come true.
Happy birthday, Naresh. Welcome to the club.
శుభాకాంక్షలు నరేష్. మీరు బాగా ఉన్నత స్థాయిలోకి వెళ్ళాలని కోరుకుంటూ మీ నానమ్మ.
హాయ్ అల్లుడి గారు, పుట్టినరోజు శుభాకాంక్షలు.
హాయ్ అల్లుడు గారు, పుట్టినరోజు శుభాకాంక్షలు. ఆయురారోగ్య ఐశ్వర్యాలతో చాలా ఆనందంగా ఉండాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాను.
హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే బావగారు.
ಹುಟ್ಟು ಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು ಅನ್ನೆಗರು.
హ్యాపీ మైల్‌స్టోన్స్ బర్త్డే.
Hey Nagadi, happy birthday, Ra. Have a nice day. Rock it.
Hi Naresh, happy birthday. Wish you 40th birthday and wish you all the happiness in the world. Have a good one. Take care. Bye bye.
ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ ಮಗ. 40th ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ, ಮೈಲ್ಸ್ಟೋನ್ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ. ಮಸ್ತ್ ಮಜಾ ಮಾಡೋ. You've been friends for forever. I've seen you when you're this wearing shorts till now, having dadi and long hair. So just like you. So have great fun. We'll miss you for your birthday, but always there in your presence. Have loads and loads of fun. Once again, a very happy birthday, Maga. Have fun. Bye.
Happy birthday, Naresh Uncle.
Hi Naresh, happy birthday. Have a great year ahead.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಗುರು. 40 ವರ್ಷ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು, ನಿನಗೂ ವಯಸ್ಸು ಆಗೋಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರು ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ. ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Naresh Uncle.
Happy birthday Naresh.
Happy birthday, Naresh.
Happy birthday.
Many happy returns of the day Naresh. ಹುಟ್ಟು ಹಬ್ಬದ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. May God bless you with lot of health and peace. Take care, have fun.
Hi Naresh, happy birthday. ಹೇಗಿದೆಯಾ ಮಗ? I hope you all fine and I wish you all success. Take care ಮಗ. Bye. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Naresh.
Uncle, say uncle. Happy birthday uncle.
Happy birthday, Naresh. I've known you since 23 plus years and we wish you all the best. Wish you all the wealth, health and happiness. Have a wonderful year. Happy birthday.
Mr. Naresh, very many happy returns of the day. Wish you all success. You know what? ನಾವು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಇದ್ದು it is 20 years. That is, we know each other from the past 20 years. And the interesting part is, ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಧ half of our current lifetime we've known each other. That's really great. ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇನ್ನು ಹಲವಾರು ವರ್ಷ, 10 ವರ್ಷ ಹೀಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು ನಮ್ಮ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಶಿಪ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಶಿಪ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ವಿಶ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ 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 ಮೆನಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡೇ. ವಿಶ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ and remember you're stepping into 40 and do all your best to get naughty there. Okay? Good luck. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you guys soon. Take care. Cheers.
Happy birthday Naresh. Happy 40th. Have a good one.
Naresh uncle. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Naresh uncle. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Naresh.
Happy returns of the day, Naresh Anna. May this birthday bring you lots of love, luck, happiness, and all the good things because you truly deserve it. You're one of the nicest and sweetest person I've met in my life. You've treated me like your own baby sister during our college days. I'll never forget that. Nanyavattu Mariella, I really cherish all those memories. Hope to meet you soon. Nan treat baki ಇದೆ ನೆನಪಿದೆಯಾ? ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಇತ್ತು, ನೀವು ಇವಾಗಲೂ ಹಾಗೆ ಕೋಪ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀರಾ ಅಂತ? ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್, ಬಾಯ್, ಸ್ಟೇ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ, ಸ್ಟೇ ಸೇಫ್.
Hey Naresha, happy fabulous 40th birthday. Enjoy your year.
Happy birthday, Naresh Mama.
Happy birthday, Naresh Mama.
మెనీ హ్యాపీ రిటర్న్స్ ఆఫ్ ద డే బావా. నేను మిస్ అవుతాను నీ వంటలు, నీ పప్పు అన్నీ. సో ఎంజాయ్ యువర్ డే.
హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే నరేష్.
పుట్టినరోజు శుభాకాంక్షలు నరేష్. We miss you a lot. So we still remember those days, you are always carrying the DSLR camera, so cameraman Naresh to so Klingendal Sashalo parties camera ni studio cameraman avani, really we are missing you. So wish you happy birthday and welcome to Uncle's World with 40 years. All the best. Thank you.
వన్స్ అగైన్ హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే బావా.
హలో మాస్టరు, ఎలా ఉన్నారు? హ్యాపీ 40th బర్త్డే. త్యోహార్ మనావ్.
Happy birthday, Naresh uncle.
Happy birthday, Naresh.
Hello my friend, how are you? I miss you. The days we were working closely but also having fun. I wish all the best in your new age and hope this new age brings you all the health, happiness, success and your wishes come true. Loves from Turkey.
Hey Naresh, ஒரு குட்டி ஸ்டோரி சொல்கிறேன், கேட்குறியா? It was August 2009. I received a mail from our Novartis project manager which contained your name, Naresh Chituri. The PM project manager told me to contact this person. He will assist you in terms of any help required in the Basel city, Switzerland, before I travel. I contacted you the next day and then our relationship started from that day onwards and it's continuing till date. The days we spent in Basel, Switzerland as well as KL, Malaysia, those days I can't forget. Those were good memories and it's still whenever I think, whenever I have to quote some examples, I quote that Basel experience as well as the KL experience with my family. So and beyond our relationship, our families also got merged together. Both the girls they had a good relationship and they are still remembering those old memories. Now I would like to mention you are crossing an important milestone, not definitely the project milestone, and this is on your personal front. I know that you are crossing your 40th year, so I take this moment and I wish you a very happy birthday, Naresh. Enjoy the life, stay in touch. Bye buddy, bye Thambi.
Hi Naresh, happy birthday. So as you celebrate your milestone birthday, I'd just like to take a moment to express how beautifully you've touched the lives of people around you. You've been an amazing friend, you've been a fantastic mentor, and above all, you are an amazing human being. We've had some great memories in India and in Kuala Lumpur, and I was lucky through you to meet your wife Shruti. And since then, since the days that we've met in Infosys, it's been so difficult to part my ways because the memories that we've created were so good that they are difficult, rather I would say impossible to forget. I wish you lots of happiness in life and lots of success in life. May you achieve all your goals in life. Don't forget to celebrate as and when you achieve your goals in life. Stay happy, stay healthy, continue to spread your sparkle around, and I wish I could be around on this special day to celebrate this moment with you. But cheers to you, good luck to you, and have a fantastic birthday. Happy birthday. Lots of love to you.
Hello, Thambi. Hope you're doing good. So it's been, I think, 10 years now since we celebrated your 45th birthday in Millennium Square. So, yeah, jokes apart, wish you happy birthday. Enjoy your day. God bless you. Bye.
ಹಾಯ್ ನರೇಶ್, ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್. ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ತುಂಬ ದಿನ ಆಯಿತು ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ. ಬರ್ತೀನಿ, ಭೇಟಿಯಾಗೋಣ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಈ ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬ ನಿನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿಯನ್ನು ತರಲಿ. ಗುಡ್ ಲಕ್. ಮೆನಿ ಮೆನಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡೇ.
Hi Naresh, many more happy returns of the day. Happy birthday.
Many happy returns of the day. Happy 40th, Naresh.
Naresh bhai, congrats on 4 decades of sheer awesomeness. The best wine gets matured at 40, and so did you. Happy birthday to a talented and terrific friend. Hope you enjoyed your birthday. You had good food, good gifts. Wish you a very happy birthday again. Bye.
जन्मदिन की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं नरेश भाई. जुग जुग जियो और फूलो फलो.
జన్మదిన శుభాకాంక్షలు నరేష్ గారు. 1000 ఏళ్ళు సుఖ సంతోషాలతో పిల్ల పాపలతో ఆల్రెడీ ఉన్నారు. సో హ్యాపీగా ఉన్నారు. ఓకేనా? హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే అగైన్.
హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే.
బాయ్ బాయ్.
Hey Naresh, wish you a very happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hey Naresh, जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. I still remember our bowling trips, our night outs, hangouts. You know, I think we had an excellent time in the past. और जल्दी मिलने का कुछ plan बनाते हैं. Enjoy your birthday, you know, and have a great time with your family. Thank you.
Hi, many happy returns of the day. Welcome to Club 40. Have a great time. తొందరలో కలుద్దాం. Bye.
Hello Naresh bhaiya, many happenings of the day. Have a wonderful time. Hope you enjoy all the cherishable moments. Welcome to 40 Club. Bye bye.
Happy birthday, Naresh uncle.
Happy birthday, Naresh garu.
Happy birthday Naresh. Welcome to the 40th Club. Have a wonderful day. Bye.
Many happy returns of the day, Naresh. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Many more happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Naresh uncle. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday Naresh.
జన్మదిన శుభాకాంక్షలు నరేష్. 40వ వసంతంలోకి అడుగుపెడుతున్నందుకు శుభాకాంక్షలు తెలియజేస్తూ ఆయురారోగ్యాలతో అష్టైశ్వర్యాలతో సుఖ సంతోషాలతో వరదిల్లాలని మనసారా కోరుకుంటున్నాను. మరోసారి పుట్టినరోజు శుభాకాంక్షలు.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Naresh. Have a wonderful year ahead.
Happy birthday, Naresh uncle. Happy birthday, uncle. Get some cake, get some presents, and stay healthy.
Happy birthday Naresh.
Happy birthday, Naresh. Enjoy your day. Bye.
Hey Naresh,
wish you a very, very happy birthday. Wishing you all the happiness, health, and success in the upcoming year. Have a great day and have a wonderful year ahead. Happy birthday once again.
Hello Naresh, happy birthday. Wish you many more happy returns of the day. Wish you all the success and happiness in your life.
Happy birthday Naresh. Wish you a great day and year ahead.
Happy birthday. Enjoy your special day. I hope it's filled with lots of love and good memories.
Hi Naresh, many more happy returns of the day. Enjoy your day.
Hey Naresh, wishing you a very very happy birthday. And sir, I must tell you one thing. आप जिस dedication, passion, compassion से काम करते हो, I mean, I don't think so I have seen anyone working like that. Wishing you a very very happy birthday one more time. Bye.
Happy birthday, Naresh. Wishing you happiness and prosperity all this day and the year ahead. And looking forward to meet you and so that you can treat us and the team for your birthday. Enjoy your day.
Hi Naresh, wish you many happy returns of the day.
Hello Naresh, wish you a very happy birthday to you. Stay blessed and healthy always. Enjoy your special day.
Happy 40th birthday, Naresh. Have a wonderful life ahead.
Happy birthday, Uncle. Happy birthday, Uncle.
Hi Naresh.
Hi, Naresh, Uncle.
Happy birthday, Naresh Uncle. I hope you have a great day and lots of fun.
Hi, Naresh, Uncle. Happy birthday. Lots of love. Sanvi.
Happy wishes for a fabulous 40th Naresh. I hope you enjoy your day.
Happy 40th Naresh. Live life, live well, and have a good one, man. Cheers.
Bye.
Happy 40th birthday. Stay healthy, stay safe, and keep smiling.
Welcome to 40th Club.
See you soon.
40th birthday, Naresh, Uncle.
Happy 40th birthday, Naresh.
Uncle. And thank you for being the funniest dude in the carrot group. And thank you for getting Sanvi to play with me. Happy birthday, Naresh Uncle. Wish you a happy birthday, Naresh Uncle.
Wish you happy birthday, Naresh. Happy 40th.
Here Naresh buddy, happy 40th birthday.
Have a great day.
Have fun, have a blast.
Yay!
Hey!
Hey Naresh, happy birthday. Not gonna say anything, okay? She wants to say it too, Naresh. I don't know why she's not saying anything.
Happy birthday, Naresh.
Hope you guys have a great one. We really enjoyed getting to know you guys over the past year. So
You're fantastic neighbors.
have a happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Uncle, happy 40th birthday.
Hi Naresh, happy 40th.
Hey Naresh, happy 40th birthday. And we are very happy to have a wonderful neighbor like you. And keep rocking and let's have more parties.
Happy birthday, Uncle. Season is still only a case today for the IPL. And get ready for one more season because it's going to be next month.
Bye.
Hello Sanvi and hello Naresh ji. Happy birthday to both of you. This is a special video that's coming out to you because of your wife Shruti ji and your mother Sanvi. So I was first asked to sing a different song, both of which I didn't know about, and I mean I know about them, but I don't know them to sing. So here is the song for you Naresh ji. మనసా మళ్ళీ మళ్ళీ చూసా గిల్లి గిల్లి చూసా జరిగింది నన్నే సహజతగా నాతో నిన్నే చూసా నీ తోడల్లే చూసా నన్ను నీకు వదిలేసా పైలోకంలో వాడు ఎప్పుడో ముడి వేశాడు విడిపోదే తన పాలనంట పట్టు వాన జల్లంట నీలోన ఈ ప్రేమ కిరణం కిరణం తను కంటి పాపంట నువ్వు కంటి రెప్పంట పిడదీయలేమంట ఎవరం ఎవరం మనసా మళ్ళీ మళ్ళీ చూసా నీ కళ్ళల్లో చూసా నూరేళ్ళ మనస జతగా నాతో నిన్నే చూసా నా తోడల్లే చూసా నేను నీకు వదిలేసా. So hi Sanvi, so this is your song.
మౌనంలో మాటిరానా మనసంతా నిలిపోనా ఎక్కువలో తూర్పులా నీకోసం నేనున్నా తూర్పులో ఎక్కువలా నా కోసం రావేలా వెన్నెల్లో నా మౌనం నన్నే అడిగింది ఏమైంది నీకంటూ గుండెల్లో నా కడలి అలలై ఎగసింది ప్రేమంటే నువ్వంటూ ఏ రేయిలోననే నిలువలేక ఏ వెలుగలేక ఏ వెలుగు లేక నీ గడుపలేక ఓ నిమిషమైన నిన్ను విడువలేక నీ ఎదుట నన్ను నే దాచలేక నా నిదురనైన నిన్ను మరువలేక నా కలలలోన నిన్ను కలువలేక క్షణమునైన నీ తోడుకోని నేనున్నా వెన్నెల్లో నా మౌనం నాతో అంటుంది నువ్వంటే చాలంటూ మౌనంలో మతిపోయా మనసంతా నిండిపోయా నీకువలో తూర్పులా నా కోసం నువ్వు వస్తే తూర్పులో నీకువలా నీకోసం నేనున్నా వెన్నెల్లో నా మౌనం మాటై పలికింది నువ్వంటే నేనంటూ.
God bless you Sanvi, may you have a beautiful bright healthy future.